Hey guys, I'm Dr. Spees. I'm one of the vets here at VCA Woodbridge, and some of you might know me, some of you might not. Because of COVID, we're not seeing normal appointments where you would just come in and have grooming done. Things like just a routine ear cleaning or routine nail trim. We're not doing those right now to protect our staff and to protect you from COVID. So you need to know how to do these things at home. And after more than 10 years of doing this, I've come to realize that people don't generally know how to clean their dog's ears because it's not the same as cleaning our own ears. Usually with people, you take a Q-tip, you put it in your ear, but our ear canals just go in. With a dog, their ear canal goes in and then it goes down. And that vertical ear canal is really hard for you to get in and clean out. Plus it's dangerous if you hit that eardrum. So I have some Q-tips here today for cleaning, but they're not for the normal way you think you would clean them. So first I have my dog Badger here. She doesn't love to get her ears cleaned, but she's a pretty good patient. So I have a non-slip surface. This towel is gonna, one, protect the table that we're using because it is gonna be kind of messy, and two, she won't slip around, so it gets good traction for her. The other supplies that I have just plain baby wipes. I'm gonna use this as my ear wipes. You can buy ear wipes at a pet store, that's fine. They're basically just expensive baby wipes. And baby wipes do the same thing. You just don't want any perfumes, you don't want any lotion, you don't want anything added to them, just plain baby wipes. I have some Q-tips, and then I have my favorite ear cleaner, which is the Decra Triz Ultra Keto. I like this because the Triz Ultra is a drying agent and the ketoconazole is an antifungal. So if there's a little bit of yeast down in those ears, it will help to clean it out. It will not cure an ear infection. If your dog's ears are red, swollen, painful, there's pus in them, there's blood in them, you need to come see one of us. Make an appointment. We're seeing appointments for ear infections, of course, but you can't just clean them out. If you don't have an appointment for a while, you should come in on emergency because ear infections can be really painful. If the ears are just a little bit schmooey, then this will help clean them out. You might be able to prevent an ear infection. Normal dogs, you should be probably flushing their ears about once a month when you clip their toenails. Some dogs need it more frequently, some dogs need it less frequently, but I'm going to show you how to do it. So most people think you clean an ear by taking the ear cleanser, a Q-tip or a cotton ball, and putting some on and sticking it in the ear. This is not effective. So routinely I see people come in and tell me they've just cleaned the dog's ears that morning and they're all full of wax deep down in the canal when I look with my otoscope. So I'm going to show you how to prevent that. Number one, you're going to take your ear cleanser. I'm going to shake it up because it's got the medicine in it. Whoop. I'm going to open up the top, and I can do this by myself. You probably can at home as well, as long as your dog is not grumpy. I'm going to actually put this in her ear and I'm going to squeeze. I'm going to just fill it up. It's okay if it spills out because there's an eardrum. You can't overfill. It's not going to go into her brain. So you put it in, you hear that noise? That's me chunking up the wax with that liquid. The liquid does all the work for you getting in there. All right, now I'm going to let go and she's going to shake. So watch yourself. Good girl. Then I'm going to take a baby wipe. I have small fingers, but if you're a man and you have a small dog, this might be harder. I'm basically just gonna get in and I'm gonna clean out. I'm gonna wipe any wax that is in there if I can get to it. You don't have to get all the way down in. That's what the liquid did. Wipe it out. Her ears are pretty clean. This is mostly just a demonstration, but there's not a lot to clean up. But you can see I was able to get pretty far down in there, and she's not a very big dog. The Q-tips I'm gonna use for the folds. What is that? I'm going to actually stick this just in these little folds and get the little wax out of this area here if there is any. Again, she doesn't have a whole lot. So that's what I use these Q-tips for. That's done. And that's how you clean out the ears. Again, if you have a problem, if the ears are red, if they're painful, if they're swollen, pus, blood, anything like that, please make an appointment and come see us. If not, you can get this ear cleaner from us. If we've seen you in the last year, you don't need a prescription, just call us and you can get some of this. Thanks, have a good day, guys.